You know, Jack, I've been thinking about this project deadline. It feels like it's taking forever.
Oh, really? How come?
Well, you know what they say. A watched pot never boils.
Huh? A watched pot? What does that mean?
It's an idiom. It means if you keep watching something and waiting for it to happen, it feels like it's taking much longer.
Oh, I see. So, it's like when you're waiting for your phone to charge and it seems to take forever if you keep looking at it.
Exactly. The idea is to distract yourself with something else instead of constantly checking. Time will pass quicker that way.
That makes sense. I often feel that way when waiting for the bus.
Yeah! Next time you're waiting for something, just remember, a watched pot never boils. And find something else to do.
Thanks, Emily. I'll try to keep that in mind. Learning idioms is actually fun.